Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are enjoying my online classes, and I hope you and your family member are safe at home. Yes, am I right? So, in the previous classes already I have discussed the test of a nutrient. Okay, yes or no? So, in this period I am going to discuss about the vitamins. Okay, so already in the first period I told na vitamin nutrient are how many types? It is the 5 types. Okay, so what is the mineral, vitamin, okay, carbohydrate, protein, fat. Okay, so these are the 5 nutrient. So already I have discussed the 3 nutrient. Yes or no? It is the fat, carbohydrate, protein. So today I am going to discuss the protein. Okay, sorry, the vitamin. So write down vitamin. Okay. So tell me what is vitamin. So these are the nutrient of our food. Okay. Yes or no? Write down. So write down. Vitamin are the nutrient. Okay. So it is a nutrient in our food. Yes or no? So vitamin are the what? So vitamin are the nutrient. Okay. So vitamin are the nutrient in our food. Yes or no? So vitamin are divided into two types. Okay. So vitamin are divided into how many types? It is in two types. Okay. So write down. So write down vitamin. So vitamin are divided into how many types? It is in two types. One is the water soluble, means which are mixed with the water. These are called water soluble. Okay. So another one is the fat soluble. Yes or no? Okay. So it is the first one is the fat soluble. Okay. Another is the water soluble. Yes or no? So mainly what will happen? So in a vitamin are the nutrient of our food. Okay. So vitamin are divided into two types. Okay. So one is the fat soluble, another is the water soluble. Okay. What will happen? Some vitamin easily it is dissolved. Soluble means dissolve. Okay. Soluble means dissolve in the water, and some it is they not dissolved in the water. So it is required fat. Yes or no? So write down. So it is so the fat soluble. Okay, the fat soluble. It is four types. Okay, vitamin. Four type vitamin is there. So these are fat soluble. Okay, write down. So it is write down. A E A B. Okay. So these four vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin D. Okay. So these four vitamin are fat soluble. So you have to remember this. Question will be maybe come out in your exam. So there will be provide 5 example or suppose they are provided three example. So remaining fourth one there will be provide vitamin C. You have to find out which one is the fat soluble vitamin. So fat soluble vitamin are two types, four. One is the A, E, K, D. Okay. So vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin D. Okay. So vitamin are, so what is vitamin? Vitamin are the nutrient in our food. Okay. So vitamin are divided into two types. One is the fat soluble, another is the water soluble. Okay. So fat soluble vitamin are it is the four types. One is the vitamin E, A, E, K, D. Yes or no? Then water soluble vitamin. Okay. So water soluble vitamin is divided into two types. Okay. So it is divided into two types. One is the what? Vitamin B complex. So B complex and vitamin C. Vitamin C. Okay. So water soluble vitamin are divided into two types. Okay. One is a vitamin B complex. Okay. So in B complex vitamin, so all the B complex vitamin B1, B3, B12. Okay. So all are come under B complex. Okay. Vitamin B1, B6, B12. Yes or no? So all these vitamin come under vitamin B complex. Yes or no? So the water soluble vitamin are two types. One is the vitamin B complex, another is the vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. And the fat soluble vitamin are four types. Okay, so this is about the vitamin. So then what is the function of a vitamin? Okay, what are the function? Why we need the vitamin nutrient? Okay, so tell me. Have you any idea? So can I write this? Yes. Then come to the function of a vitamin. Okay. So vitamin E can perform so many functions. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Write down. Function of a vitamin. Okay. Function of a vitamin. Yes. So tell me what are the function of a. So tell me what are the function. Okay. So tell me what are the function of a vitamin. Okay. So vitamin are the nutrient in our food. Yes or no? So vitamin is divided into two types. One is water soluble and fat soluble. Yes. So water soluble. Okay. It is two types. B complex vitamin C, and the fat soluble it is the AEKD. So it is four types of vitamin. Yes or no? So then come to write down the function of a vitamin. Okay. First write the vitamin help in the protecting our eye. Okay. Vitamin help in the protecting. Okay. Protecting our body. Okay. Not eye. Body against what? Disease. Okay. Disease. Okay. Yes or no? So what will happen? The vitamin. Okay. So the vitamin help in the protecting our body. Okay. So it will be protect from the external injury. So what will happen? Sometimes see, if you are going to school, on the way you fell down. Okay. So what will happen? Small infection will be come in your body. So what will happen? Doctor will do, hey, take one vitamin tablet. It will be okay in the 5 or 3 days. Yes or no? So because the vitamin protecting our body against what? Disease like the bacteria, virus, yes, fungi. Yes or no? So this is the first function of a vitamin. Okay, then come to second function. Okay, vitamin keep our eye, bone, teeth healthy. Yes or no? So what will happen? So our eye, bone, teeth. Okay. So vitamin, what will happen? The vitamin. Okay. So vitamin keep our eye, bone, teeth healthy. Okay. So if you some vitamin is there, vitamin D, it is to keep our bone strong. Yes or no? Okay. Vitamin A, it keep our eye proper. Okay. So you think about some child from the after birth they put glasses. Why? Because due to the deficiency of vitamin they are using glass. Yes or no? So because in the due to deficiency of vitamin they are facing blindness disease. Okay, so vision problem or blindness problem. So due to this, the vitamin of A, deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, so this is the function of vitamin. Okay, then come to different vitamin have a different function. Okay, so write down. Different vitamin function. Okay, so what are the, so first what vitamin A. Okay, tell me. So vitamin A keep our eye and what keep our eye and skin healthy. Okay, keep our eye and skin healthy. Yes or no? So what will happen? The vitamin A. Okay, so vitamin A keep our, okay, so vitamin A, okay, so it is vitamin, okay, vitamin A keep our eye and skin healthy. Then come to vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. Okay, so what will happen? The vitamin C, so it will fight against our what disease. Okay, so it is fight, okay, against disease. Okay, so many diseases attack our body. Okay, so many diseases. Okay, so fever or so many fungi disease and some malaria, like so many diseases there. Okay, so what will happen? So this vitamin C, they fight with them and keep safe you. Okay, so vitamin C is over. Then come to vitamin D. Vitamin D, tell me what is the function of vitamin D? So it keep our bone and muscle strong. Okay, it keep our bone and muscle strong. Yes or no? So sometimes happen due to the deficiency of vitamin D, so many diseases will happen. Okay, so these are the vitamin A, C, D. Okay, and so many vitamins there. Vitamin A, B1 is there. So many vitamins there. Okay, so only I am just discussing that much only. Okay, so vitamin A, so keep our eye and skin healthy. Okay, then vitamin C, it fight against disease. Okay, then vitamin D, it keep our bone and muscle. So bone in your body, bone is how many pieces bone is there? Okay, this is 206. Okay, so what will happen? So this vitamin D keep our bone and muscle strong. Yes or no? So these are the about vitamin. Okay, so remaining so many functions is there. In next video I will explain, so don't worry about. Okay, so then come to the source of a vitamin. Okay, so source means where we get this vitamin. Okay, so tell me where we can get this vitamin. So we get this vitamin from food. Yes or no? So the food may be plant source or it may be animal source. Yes or no? So write down. So source of vitamin. Source of a vitamin. Okay, so write down. So first source it is the what? Source of a vitamin A. Okay, write down. Source of a vitamin A. Okay, so tell me so many sources there. Okay, so from this we can get vitamin A. Okay, so one is the papaya. Yes, so papaya. Okay, carrot. Yes or no? So papaya, carrot. Okay, so fish oil. What? Fish oil. So fish oil, papaya, carrot, fish oil, then mango milk. Okay, mango, then milk. Yes. So source of vitamin A. First one is it is milk, then mango. Okay, then fish oil, then papaya and carrot. Okay. So from these food, okay, from these food we can get the vitamin A. Okay. So what will the function of vitamin A? So vitamin A, it keep our eye and skin healthy. Yes or no? So this is about the vitamin A. Then come to vitamin B. Okay. Source of vitamin B. Again you make like this. Okay. Source of vitamin only B. Okay. Source of vitamin B. Change only. So tell me source of vitamin B. Yes. So which food we can get vitamin B? Okay. Okay. So it is the first one is the wheat. Yes or no? Rice. Yes. Liver. Yes or no? So and some vegetables. Okay. So these are the source of vitamin what? Vitamin source of vitamin B. Okay. So first liver. Liver means chicken liver or otherwise the goat liver. Yes. So in that liver, okay. So we can get the vitamin B. Then rice, wheat, okay. Then vegetables. Okay. Vegetable, so many vegetables is there. Okay. Yes or no? So these are the source of vitamin B. Then come to source of vitamin C. Yes. Source of vitamin C. Here change. Okay. Source of vitamin C. Okay. So tell me the food name where we can get the vitamin food. Vitamin C. It is first one is lemon. Yes or no? Lemon, then amla. Yes or no? Lemon, amla. Okay. Then guava. Guava means okay, Peru. So lemon, amla, guava. Okay. So then tell me another example. Orange. Yes or no? Then any other example. Okay. Lemon, amla, guava, orange. Then what? Green chili. Yes or no? Green chili. So what will happen? So these food, it is look like sour in taste. Yes or no? If you eat this type of food, it is a sour in taste. Okay, means sour means it khata lagta hai. Okay, so these food contain more number of what? Vitamin C. Okay, source of vitamin C, it is the first one is orange. Oh, okay, or guava. Okay, lemon, amla. Yes. Okay, so amla is a one type of fruits. It is used are used for the preparation of pickle. Yes, sir. So green chili. Okay, so green chili also contain vitamin C. Yes. So then come to source of vitamin D. Okay, already you know the source of vitamin D, it is sunlight. Yes or no? So when sometimes what will happen? Some people they are standing in the morning in the sunlight. Why they are standing? Because they are observing, okay, sunlight. Because in sunlight have a vitamin D. Yes or no? It will be strong our bone and muscle. So that's why every morning you have to stand up in your field or in your where sunlight is falling. Yes or no? So this will be what will happen. Your body will absorb vitamin D. Yes. So sunlight have which type of vitamin? Vitamin D. Okay. And some food also have vitamin D. Yes or no? So you here you change. Okay. Vitamin D. Okay. Tell me the food name which contain vitamin D. Okay. So it is liver, fish. Okay. Fish. Okay. Then sunlight. Okay. Then tell me liver, fish, sunlight. Then another one. So it is milk. Yes or no? Milk. So these food contain, okay. So these food contain what? Vitamin D. Source of vitamin D means where we get the vitamin D. So you have to make separate. Yes or no? So first one is milk. Second one is sunlight. Third one is liver. Fourth one is fish. Yes or no? So in this food we can get the different type of vitamin. Yes or no? So in the next period I will discuss about the another nutrient. It is the mineral. Yes. Yes or no? So you have to write all the things. If you have doubt, you can ask me, and like the video and subscribe the channel. Good, have a nice day. Thank you.